This new AI device might actually replace your phone sooner than you think. And no, this isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. Tech companies are already testing it, creators are talking about it non-stop, and a lot of Americans are seriously asking one question: do we even need smartphones anymore? For over a decade, our phones have been the center of everything. Calls, messages, apps, work, entertainment, and even payments all live inside one screen. But in 2026, that idea is being challenged. Instead of tapping, swiping, and scrolling, this new wave of AI devices is built around one thing: conversation. Imagine waking up and talking to a small AI device that already knows your schedule, your priorities, and how you like to start your day. You don't open apps, you don't scroll feeds, you just speak, and it responds instantly. It can book appointments, send messages, summarize emails, plan your day, translate languages, and even remind you to take breaks, all without a screen controlling your attention. What makes this especially interesting in the US is how burned out people are with screen time. Americans spend hours every day staring at phones, and this device is designed to reduce that. No endless notifications, no social media doom scrolling. Just information when you actually need it. The design is also completely different from a smartphone. Instead of a glass slab, it's small, simple, and meant to be carried like a wallet or clipped to clothing. Some versions use voice only. Others add light projections or subtle visuals, but nothing like a traditional display. The goal isn't to entertain you, it's to assist you. Now here's where things get controversial. This AI device doesn't use apps the way we're used to. There's no app store, no icons. Everything runs through AI understanding your intent. You say what you want, and it figures out how to do it. For some people, that sounds amazing. For others, it sounds scary. Privacy is another big concern. If an AI device replaces your phone, it has access to a lot of personal information. Developers claim everything is encrypted and secure, but Americans are already debating how much trust is too much. Still, the convenience is hard to ignore. Creators, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts in the US are especially excited. Many believe this could be the biggest shift in personal technology since the smartphone itself. Just like phones replaced flip phones, this could replace phones entirely, or at least change how we use them. But let's be real, smartphones aren't disappearing overnight. This AI device won't replace your phone tomorrow, but it might replace how often you use it. Instead of checking your phone 200 times a day, you might only reach for it when absolutely necessary. That's the real shift happening right now. Technology is moving away from screens and toward intelligence. Less tapping, more talking. Less distraction, more intention. So the big question isn't whether this AI device will replace your phone. The question is whether you're ready to give up your screen. If you want to stay ahead of tech trends before they go mainstream in the US, subscribe to Digital Dive. More videos like this are coming very soon.